Hey guys, Austin Cooper, Wichita Homeworks.
Hey guys, Charlie here.
Over here at the basement for a kitchen remodel we're doing. I'm going to show you the beam we're putting in. Let Charlie talk about it a little bit.
Yeah, what we had here is we need to be able to, due to the changes upstairs in the walls and the support, we needed to call in our engineer, and we've designed this all metal truss so that when we go upstairs we'll show you. But what this does is this actually supports the weight for the new walls upstairs. This was needed to be metal because it's actually supporting second floor and the roof. So we needed to get some extra support in here. You can see how it's all bolted together. It's made in pieces, kind of like an erector set or a Tinker Toy set here, so that we could get it in. You can see how many ducts, wires, pipes, that sort of thing that we had to be able to dodge. So this was all designed by our engineer staff, and will support the weight that we're transferring. If you want to come with us upstairs, we'll kind of show you the reason for that beam.
And we had JC Welding help us with this project. They did a great job. He actually made that beam himself. Switch it up here. So as you can see, this is the wall that we took out, and we're framing up this box right here. It's going to get moved over because the downstairs plate was not aligned to the trusses, which is why it's between both of them. This is going to get wrapped with stone, and you can see the beam up there for this was the wall that was removed.
Support used to be right here, so you can see how we needed to transfer that over, and we're just using a single pillar, so therefore that iron beam that you've seen is right directly centered under this center 2x4 here.
Run right there
to provide the support.
So this will have again, it's going to be wrapped with stone. We do have a matching one over here. It's not framed up yet, but it'll be following that. In the kitchen, everything we've done so far, refinished all the cabinetry. Got new countertops going in next week, doing a stone backsplash, new flooring, and then I think one of the things we have left is the fireplace is going to get a brand new mantle and new stone. So other than that, just some updating on electrical and just ceiling work. So we'll keep you posted and get you some finals next week.
All right, we'll see you guys later.
See you guys.